Hey, welcome to the mailroom. Just got a special delivery from Six Flags Great America. Let's see what it is. Here we go. Coming in 2019, MAXX FORCE. You don't know the Max. Sorry, I don't know the Simpsons song again. Fastest launch in North America, world's tallest double inversion, world's fastest inversion. Yep. Oh, look. A little MAXX FORCE trophy. What? Fastest launch in North America. Wow. Not even built yet. Is there even a footer in the ground, and it already has its own trophy. What else do we got here? Training wheel for your first taste of MAXX FORCE, and I think it's a donut. And it kind of looks like the wheel on the car. See how there's a wheel on the car, and the donut kind of looks like the wheel? Wow. And then there's like some, what is this, some kind of candy or something? So there you go. Alrighty, the hype is starting. Are you guys ready? You ready to ride the MAXX FORCE? This is the kind of coverage you only get right here. Nobody else in Chicago is going to do this video today. Nobody. Just me. Peace out. Coaster Bureau Chief. See you later.